First, the top news headlines. Chief Minister Biren says big changes ahead for Manipur. Tamenglong's Lungkau village waits for development. And Tangkhul villages negate Power Minister Biswajit's statement. Good evening and welcome to Times of Manipur. This is SURAJ Tabam giving you the news. Now the news in detail. A one-day workshop on Union Budget 2020 was held today at BJP Manipur Pradesh Office, Kanchipur. BJP leader and Chief Minister of Manipur Nongthombam Biren Singh, Manipur BJP Vice President Salam Joy, Party General Secretary MLA H. Satyabrata and a host of party workers attended the workshop. Speaking during the workshop, Chief Minister Biren said that under Prime Minister Narendra Modi's 2030 vision document and the Indian economy will be put on a fast track. Talking about the various welfare schemes for the people, Biren said that development of rural areas is the chief priority of the government as Indian economy mainly depends on the growth of the rural economy. Chief Minister expressed confidence that despite some financial setback, there would be sustainable growth in the state economy. He asserted that the economy and welfare of rural people are on the track. Chief Minister also stated that investment by the people will help boost the country's economy. Biren also appealed to the party man to work along with the people on different issues to maintain the trust of the public in the party.
BJP ne laura iba role. BJP natana Manipur ki or awanong Bharat ki akoi indigenous population akoi ki khanba party leram dre se masi prajada bata hanbiyo noi bu preserve tor noi protect tor kan constitutionally noi da akhanna ba protection thamma kan noi kan da ba yadi ne lori se BJP na ta party anta leite se prajada khangan do aduna idi BJP se sahi kuntra another 2030 Manipur da leifam thui thambam thui thamna na bai thoi mana Prime Minister Modi ji ki sina click launa sahi tong bunna chatna na ba saba yumni kitang slow down to bagi thank you jai hind.
Lungkau village is anxiously awaiting the attention of the Manipur government for development. This remote village, which falls under Tausem subdivision of Tamenglong district, is the birthplace of first tribal freedom fighter of India, Rani Gaidinliu. The village is rich in flora and fauna, wildlife, badcap, historical places, hornbill and abundant minerals, besides the beautiful Makru River which flows through this village. The village has around 230 households of 1,300 Rongmi tribe. The main occupation of the villagers is jhum cultivation. The village has only 2 government employees. Shortage of drinking water is one of the main problems faced by the villagers for a long time. They have to walk 2 kilometers to fetch water. Despite repeated appeal to the government to arrange rainwater harvesting facility, no steps have been taken up so far, the villagers lamented. Children of the village go to neighboring village for study as the lone junior high school at the village has no adequate teachers, which is a clear sign of violating Right to Education Act 2015. The residents of Lungkau village expressed dismay over neglecting Rani House and Rani Tomb by both the state and central governments. They want a museum, library and to make Lungkau a proper heritage village. Chairman of the village, Lungthang Nang Pamay, criticized the government negligence towards the backward village.
Yagamena ising si yang biyo akoy ising mafam sida ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯌꯦꯡꯕꯁꯤꯗ ꯀꯤꯂꯣꯃꯤꯇꯔ 9-10 ꯔꯣꯝꯗ ꯌꯦꯡꯂꯝꯃꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯗ ꯏꯁꯤꯡ ꯃꯐꯝꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯄꯥꯏꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯋꯥꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯂꯩꯔꯝꯃꯦ
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯅꯨꯡꯀꯥꯎꯁꯦ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯋꯥꯅ ꯄꯥꯜꯂꯦ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯅꯨꯡꯀꯥꯎ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯌꯨꯝꯂꯛ 130 ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯔꯚꯤꯁꯇꯨ ꯂꯩꯇ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯌꯥꯏ ꯁꯤꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯋꯥꯅ ꯂꯧꯒꯤ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯁꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯕꯅꯤ ꯒꯣꯔꯃꯦꯟꯒꯤ ꯏꯟꯀꯝꯗꯁꯨ ꯂꯥꯛꯇ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯋꯥꯅ ꯄꯥꯅꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯅ ꯉꯁꯤꯁꯤꯅ ꯏꯕꯣꯛ ꯔꯅꯤꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯡꯗ ꯅꯨꯡꯀꯥꯎ ꯑꯁꯦ ꯒꯣꯔꯃꯦꯟꯅꯁꯨ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯅ ꯌꯦꯡꯕꯤꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯔꯤꯀ꯭ꯋꯦꯁ ꯇꯧꯖꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤ
President of Rani Gaidin Liu Foundation, Luzik Liu Pame, also underlined the need for preserving the village and its rich heritage. The Tangkhul Eastern Frontier villages of Ukhrul district negated Power Minister Thongam Biswajit Singh's recent statement in the Manipur Assembly that adequate electricity supply has been provided to 3 villages of Jingsui, Sambu, Mapum and Pusing of Ukhrul. Responding to a query from Ukhrul constituency MLA Alfred Arthur Kangam in the House, Minister Biswajit had showed photographs of these villages getting power supply. MLA Arthur, however, had rejected the minister's claim. Later on, Arthur, accompanied by a team of State Power Department led by Executive Director Sotin Kumar, visited the villages to ensure the claim by Minister Biswajit. But on spot, it was learned that there was no electricity. The villagers demanded that the Power Minister should tender apology to the 3 villages and the State Assembly as well for making such false statements.
The ground reality is that all infrastructures are done, but these people, they have not get power supply for quite a long time. This is because upgradation of Kamjong 33/11 kV substation was taking a lot of time. Due to load constraint and line constraint, these were kept disconnected, as per report to me, and the villages were very sentimental that infrastructure has been done for quite a long time and power supply was not given to this line.
Kurai MLA and Chairman of Loktak Development Authority LDA L. Sushindro today personally inspected the condition of Pumlen Path. On the sidelines of the visit, Sushindro said all wooden bridges over watercourses of Pumlen Path will be repaired soon, apart from cleaning these watercourses before the onset of rainy season. He also assured of cleaning Fumdi in Pumlen Path at the earliest.
Hairiba nga makal species mangi bujingje handakti soidana khoi nga makal jingje Loktak Path manung dal laktra bokta Pumlen Path khoidum pata de leirani haiba ge achet patha jaba leire karigino haira kanda hojiki hairiba khoina akasoi hairiba khongse morama marin se masi morama marin samaga akasoi de tabani anu masigi khongje khoina hojing sengba hora abnina masigi pochina maram or kanda hojiki hairiba makharam di karakada bujingje soidana handakti kara ani aduna mangi ba species singje Loktak Path later bokta akhoi Pumlen Path khoidum patre soina phangani haiba masigi achet pathajaba khoide leire.
The Protection Committee of Yaral to Guru Path local said that the fish farming, dikes and dam are seriously affecting the ecological system. This has caused man-made floods besides affecting paddy fields from Yaral to Guru Path of Imphal East. Talking to media at Manipur Press Club Imphal, convener of the committee T. Parizat urged the concerned authority to look into the matter. He said that fish farming at Yaral Paddy Fields by Yaral Path Integrated Farmers Cooperative Society Limited under the initiative of Directorate of Environment and Ecology Wing with an aim to save wetland areas has completely stopped paddy cultivation activities for the past 4 years in the said areas.
Longming income 2022 fauda double income oheni ga hedana yam tauna lauthok piraga akoi minor irrigation adigi kada adi agriculture department se pullaga akoi gi longmi singi ithai lokhong natragana akoi gi low singu bi thok si chawkhal na program ya paikhale hai ado Imphal study akoi gi khawisi hari program sin paikhat padi larana khoi ising thumma leibo sakse maista sarkari maike digi karigumba thabam ta paikhatana lei lokhong sembai thabak se nungsta mamang da tawbiu aduga huji huji main akoi gi ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯏꯟꯚꯥꯏꯔꯟꯃꯦꯟꯗ ꯏꯀꯣꯂꯣꯖꯤ ꯋꯤꯡꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯋꯦꯠꯂꯦꯟ ꯁꯦꯝꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯡꯗ ꯈꯥꯖꯤꯜꯂꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯔꯤꯡꯕꯟꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯅꯣꯡꯖꯨꯊꯥ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯗ ꯍꯥꯡꯗꯣꯛꯄꯤꯌꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯂꯩꯀꯥꯏꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯇꯦꯛꯁꯟ ꯀꯃꯤꯇꯤ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯌꯥꯔꯜ ꯇꯨꯒꯨꯔꯨ ꯂꯧꯀꯣꯜꯅ ꯃꯔꯤ ꯂꯩꯅꯕ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯣꯊꯣꯔꯤꯇꯤ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄꯥꯎ ꯆꯦꯁꯤꯡ ꯃꯦꯗꯤꯌꯥꯒꯤ ꯈꯨꯠꯊꯥꯡꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯄꯤꯜ ꯇꯧꯖꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯉꯁꯤꯁꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯒ ꯎꯅꯖꯕꯅꯤ.
Though the Manipur government has been relentlessly making efforts to ensure peaceful coexistence between the communities of the hills and valley, the interior areas of the state have remained neglected. Manipur People's Democratic Front (MPDF) has said Aishi, Molvailup, Kultu, Faimol and Faiko villages under Kamjong district's Fungyar constituency are still deprived of electricity, proper drinking water and healthcare fees. MPDF Secretary Sapam Samungao told journalists at Manipur Press Club Imphal today, this situation clearly indicates that the elected representatives have ignored these backward villages for a long time, he said.
Honorable Chief Minister na hariba district collector dagi singadana hariba Kamjong district ki manungda laiba posting tariba medical gi doctor gi oigera each and everything hariba mayam sing se Honorable Chief Minister na akan action lawdam ne aduna hariba mayam sing se masi tawbada maru oina ekoi cabinet mantri mayam salaga jaga jaga da day to day salaga yengba ngamba nate haba aduna di moigi sarkar gi component oriba hariba officer sing IS MCS MPS adigi medical officer sing executive engineer sing mari lenaba department gi singa se masi sab chaba keno tawdam action lawdam.
Repair work along Babukhal Sabughat Boraikhal Road of Jiribam is in full swing under the initiative of Vice Chairperson of Manipur Food Industries Corporation Limited, Government of Manipur, K. Sarat Kumar Singh. K. Sarat Kumar said that Maira Club Playground at Chingdong Lekai will be headed over to the public before the upcoming Yausang Festival. Babukhal Development Committee Secretary P. Singhamani Singh expressed gratitude to K. Sarat Kumar for the road repair work. He said Babukhal Sabughat Boraikhal Road had remained neglected for over 50 years.
Sports annual sports meet asigi mangoi nana masi luisile haraga lakadu sports meet asi haribu ground asi da pangthokpa namnana ba isuri mafam da tingbang view haidana yak nijeri du loinana lamdam asigi sijaba praja singi tik ta kaidaba nungai yaifaba duga makhatana yamdam asigi chakot thorangda hakimagi digisu tawba yaba pangba yapana muktai pangjagena yak mayamda assure tawjiri.
For the first time in Manipur, the State Bank of India Officers Association SBI OA organized its regional conference today at the Auditorium Hall of Jawaharlal Nehru Manipur Dance Academy, Imphal. Former General Secretary of Franco All India Bank Officer Confederation, North East Circle President Dilip Kumar Roy and General Secretary Rupam Roy along with 18 members of Central Committee Association and pensioners attended the conference. Chief Manager of SBI Manipur University Campus, Lauren Bum Romain said that the conference aims to bring all associations in the Northeast together onto a single platform.
Masigi program si akhoi region da chalaga amumuk pangthoi akhoi officer association gi unity haiba tare ko mayam si ge punjan na ba ma toiba ihau ama sagan na ba punjan na pangthok program ni ngasi maroi program ji sin bagi pandam di adu ngasi program si da saru gya na ba akhoi central committee association gi central committee gi member punna chaurangna moi tara tere trai nipan mukti imphal da hojik thungla duna leire ma khoi program si da saru gya gani loina mak.
Rotary International today organized a cycle rally to commemorate its 115th anniversary. The cycle rally was held under the theme Ride for a Clean Imphal City and Healthy Life. Konthausam MLA Dr. Sapam Ranjan flagged off the cycle rally from Velo Bicycles and Accessories Showroom, Changangai. Members of the Rotary Club International, Moneywood Club and cycle enthusiasts took part in the rally. The rally passed through Kaisampat, Governor Road and Kangla. They held placards that read, "Your garbage, your responsibility, stop littering. Yes to cleanliness, no to litter." Rotary International President Dinesh Haubam on the occasion said that the cycle rally spread a message on cleanliness. Former Manipur Minister N. Mangi Singh today inaugurated newly constructed a kitchen, boarding and washrooms of Sandhong Upper Primary School, Kumbi. Social worker Bobby James Wahingbam and former Vice Chairperson of Kumbi Municipal Council W.C. Bobby Chan were also present. Students of the school and their guardians also attended the function. Headmaster of the school, K.H. Indrakumar, said that the school now has 400 students after almost 20 years of relentless efforts. He said that opening of boarding will help decrease the school dropout rate.
Loirana angangsing asi school da thoidona school ka ba ka daba larik ki value thoidona khar wachaba mayam ama leirakanda masigi angangsing asi ka daba mayam dagi school lana orpa aduga school lana si mathanda adum akoi drop out torpagi khudaiba maramadana hariba angangsing asi drop out dagi kannabgi damakta haribi school asida compulsory makoi se lengdana lehlakanda makoi da education pina nabagi larik tambina bagi adugumba khodong saba ama ngasigi sigumlaba school asina aka angangsing da piba yananabagi sigumlaba boarding room asi tongana akoina sarkar gi housing makidi sarkar gi oiba phal leite akoi lanai semgut sagat sarkanda akoi ngasigi inauguration function asi pangthok sabani.
Thobal Police and Thobal Commando arrested 2 illegal brew sellers from Pechi Hills under Nongpok Sengmai Police Station in Thobal district this morning. According to a police report, the arrested were Kangabam Jiten Singh, age 40, son of K. Matum from Charangpat Mamanglekai, and Laitunjam Joy Singh, age 32, son of L. Narahari from Huikap Awanglekai. More than 1,000 liters of liquor were recovered from the duo. The seized liquor was handed over to Yaripok Excise Station for further action. In another incident, Thobal District Police arrested a man along with 8.42 gram of heroin during a drive at Thobal Moizing Lamkhai Sorok Mapa last evening. According to a police report, the person has been identified as Muhammad Nahatoy, age 42, son of late Muhammad Jain. Rupees 6,050 in cash was also recovered from him. Four illegal liquor factories were busted last evening at Ukhongsang Mayalikai under Sekmai Police Station. One person identified as Hizam Jayanta Singh, age 40, son of Ibo Tombi Singh, was arrested. 800 liters of liquor, 100 kgs of fermented rice, utensils used in the brewing process, and 2 kgs of ganja were recovered from the factories during the drive, a report said. Troops of Assam Rifles under the aegis of Headquarter IGR South seized 5.62 kgs of WY tablets worth rupees 1.5 crore at Technopol checkpost near Sitaro Junction yesterday. During a routine checking of the vehicles at around 3:15 p.m., troops of Assam Rifles stopped a grey color Maruti Eco van bearing registration number MN01 AG 6087, which was driven by Paugaugin Haulai, age 22 years of Senapati, along with 2 female co-passengers, Hatneineng Lobum, age 37 years of Senapati, and Hoiko Hat Khongsai, age 33 years of Sadar Hills. On carrying out a thorough check of the vehicle, the suspected WY tablets were recovered from the rear seat of the vehicle. The arrested along with the recovered items have been handed over to Technopol Police Station for further investigation. Ekhoi Miyoi Basi Amatani Ima, a charity organization, today extended monetary help to one Thokchom Rohit, who is currently undergoing medical treatment at Jenims Imphal. Rohit, aged 16 years from Moirang Thanalekai, met with a major road accident a decade back. President of Ima and Michael visited Rohit at the hospital.
Manipur society asida ana layang do oro any problem amada khudong chadraba mai kana yengwa kana hana leitraba kunsta khun angam khardang angam khagana jaraga mabu angam khar mating pangjaba sina khoi ya lieng throp mandawan thamjab.
Help started pouring in from various individuals and groups after TOMTV recently aired an exclusive report on the life of Laisram Achoba, a bedridden man from Kangabog. Marking the 4th Foundation Day of E-Pau Manipur WhatsApp group, the group extended help to the family of Laisram Achoba. Admin of the group, Laisram J.K. Kuman, said that the group will continue to extend help to the poor and needy people. As a part of the Police Public Relationship Program, a team of City Police Station today conducted a cleanliness drive in the surroundings of Thangal Bazaar, Mahatma Gandhi Avenue. Officer in charge City Police Sudhir and shopkeepers of Thangal Bazaar took part in the program. "97 more people died in China due to coronavirus, taking the death toll to 2,442, officials said today, as a team of experts from the World Health Organization (WHO) visited the worst affected Wuhan city in Hubei province, as per a media report. By the end of Saturday, a total of 2,442 people had died of the disease and 76,936 confirmed cases of novel coronavirus infection had been reported in 31 provincial level regions. China's National Health Commission (NHC) said in its daily update on Sunday, 96 deaths were reported from Hubei province and 1 from Guangdong province on Saturday, besides 648 new confirmed cases of coronavirus infections, it said. Hubei province, where the virus first emerged in December last, reported 630 new confirmed cases, taking the total confirmed cases in the hard-hit province to 64,084, state-run Xinhua news agency reported. A month since the novel coronavirus scare, the Bihar Health Department is still struggling to put in place a foolproof screening mechanism for international tourists after Nepal reported one confirmed case of the virus last month. According to a media report, in a delayed move, Bihar has now initiated a proposal to buy wall-mounted thermal scanners for airports at Patna and Gaya. Already short of infrared thermometers, the state has 11 and has placed purchase orders for another 87. Buying thermal scanners would be routed through a short-tender notice, and it could still take about a month for the government to put them in place, said a government officer privy to the move. The delay in purchase of thermal scanners was being attributed to the ignorance about their technical specification. The Delhi Metro Rail Corporation (DMRC) closed the entry and exit of the Jafrabad station in Northeast Delhi amid a protest against the Citizenship Amendment Act (CAA) outside the station this morning, as per a media report. In a tweet, the DMRC also said trains will not stop at this station. Delhi police have also deployed additional personnel around the Jafrabad metro station as women continue their protest against the CAA. There was already heavy security deployment, including women police personnel, in the area when the protest began Saturday night. Jafrabad became the latest anti-CAA protest site in Delhi when about 500 people, mostly women, gathered there to protest against the new citizenship law and the National Register of Citizens (NRC) blocking a major road on Saturday night. Let's now have the sports news. In sports today, Lamsang MLA S. Rajan today expressed unhappiness over joining of sports associations by some individuals for personal gain. He was participating in a function to felicitate gold medalists of 19th Sub-Junior Wushu National Championship 2019 and 13th Southeast Asia Wushu Championship 2019. The program was held at the Sagolban Bijoy Govinda Keli Makhong Community Hall. At the event, MLA Rajan further stressed on the need to maintain strict discipline by players. Manipur Tug of War Association today felicitated the players who took part in the Ek Bharat Shrestha Bharat Zone 3 National Integration Tug of War held at Nehru Stadium in Haridwar of Uttarakhand from February 10 to 13. The function was organized at the office of the association in Kuala. On the occasion, gifts were also presented to the participants of the 12th Open National Tug of War Championship 2019 held at Kathmandu, Nepal from May 27 to 29 last year. Margao in Goa will host the final match of this season's Indian Super League on March 14. Football Sports Development Limited's founding chairperson Nita Ambani said today. As per media reports, the summit clash will be held on March 14 at the Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium at Fatorda in Margao. The JLN Stadium at Fatorda is the home venue of FC Goa, who have secured a berth in the AFC Champions League 2021 group stage by finishing on top of the league stage of the ISL. Goa had last hosted the ISL final in 2015, played between Chennaiyin FC and FC Goa, with the home side losing 2-3 in a dramatic fashion after leading 2-1 till 90 minutes. The winner of this year's ISL final will be eligible to play the AFC Cup qualifiers. Before we wind up, let's have a quick look at the top news headlines once again. Chief Minister Biren says big changes ahead for Manipur. Tamenglong's Lungkau village waits for development. And Tangkhul villages negate Power Minister Biswajit's statement. Well, that's all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur and have a good night.
Thank you.